Hoora car and bike services. So this is something which they recently started. This is through the app which is called as Hoora app, and they do at-home car wash services. In this one you can book it through the app, and either for a one time or else you can do it as a recurring for a month. Based on what type of wash you can go ahead and wash. Basically it's foam or polish or wax and things like that. So based on that the pricing would be there, and that is something that you have a preference. So either it's daily, or you can have 4 times in a month, twice in a month, or probably I think there is one more option, and basis that, right, you can do the payment. So what I picked is twice for the month, and that has costed me roughly around like 1100 bucks, and this is what they do. So this one what I picked is a normal water wash which is both inside and outside, and the water that they pick is from our from our side, and all the other equipment regarding washing they get it from their side. So that is something which is there. Depending on the car and the make, they also have the payment for driver. Because this is a bigger car, they charge roughly around like, so what I'm paying is around 1100 and change for twice a month, and this is the doorstep delivery for basic water car wash, which is both inside as well as outside. Just yeah.
Hey Daddy, why are you cleaning your car?
Just like that. Your friend in the back. Ambika, nothing. Ni bucket aitade usually? More bucket. డెంటింగ్ ఇంకా ఇది కూడా చేస్తారు కదా, స్క్రాచ్ రిమూవల్ తీసినారా? Yeah, I need it. Overall, the service was good, and apart from Hoora, there are two other, providers, which is Go Mechanic and I believe TVS, but they don't have a monthly schedule. They have it like a one-time thing. But yeah, the price could have been probably 100 or 200 less, but yeah, the overall service is good. They also have other options where they polish as well. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one.